Fallen on the horizon. Time for a gunfight. All fallen under one desperate house. What did you all think? I like it. Prepare for transmat. Drop those targets, take the moats, and bank them. Fight today. Hostiles incoming at the burrow. Hostiles at the ring. Large blocker outbound. Portal's ready. Grab your gun. Your allies invading the other side. Watch it! You're shedding moats! Kill the blockers! Your invaders down, but sort of kill. Invader inbound. Hunt him! Hostiles incoming at command. Invaders gone. Get them next time. I spot a high-value target. Give them hell. Almost time for a primeval. Fill that bank up. Incoming hostiles at the ring. Portals up. Embrace the darkness. Take out those guardians. High-value target neutralized. Woo! They're bleeding moats. 10 seconds. 2 for 1. Opposing team has a primeval. You gotta finish first. Primeval compromised. Take it out. Watch your back. Invader incoming. Enemy invader down. Hey, we can't blame him for trying. Invaders here. Brace yourself. revel in this. Opposing team's about to win. The enemy team's about to win this. Get moving. Invader on the field. Careful. I got a call. Enemy team melted their primeval. Envoys terminated. Now, bring the house down.